How to add Apple App Store reviews in Wix. In order to do that, head over and click onto this plus icon right here in order to add an element. Into the quick add, you can find in here this iframe. So make sure to drag and drop it wherever you want to put it into your page. Now, it will be attached right here into this section. Let's leave it at that for now. And head over to a new tab. Head over to your elfsite.com and then from in there, once you have signed up, click onto the search widgets and search in here for Apple App Store. You can see in here this Apple App Store reviews. Click onto this right there and then from in there you can choose a template that will appear in their actual website. We have carousel widget, we have floating badge, and the likes right here. I'll just choose in here this carousel widget and click onto this continue with this template. Now it will ask for Apple App Store URL. So as an example, let's copy the link of Facebook. Copy the link right here, right click and click on copy. From in there, head over to your ELF site and then input right here the URL that we have copied. You can choose in here the AI generated summary of that. You can turn that on as well as turn that off if you would want. So only reviews will be added and not any summary. So this is what it will look like. Click onto this publish option and then from in there, just wait for this to actually load. It will ask you for your plan. I'll select this free plan right here and then it will provide you this code. Copy this code and head back to your Wix website. Click onto this enter code and then input right here the code that we have copied and click on update. From in there, this will update this code right here and it will provide us the Apple App Store reviews. So do take note that you can still adjust the options right here. Like for example, it's not really visible on me right now because my background is black. But once you have adjusted it according to your liking, you should be able to see the reviews from there. So that's how you add Apple App Store reviews in Wix. Hope we helped.